This is Sufyan, and today I'm going to walk you through a live demonstration of AI reliability using Lenovo ThinkSystem storage. As enterprises accelerate their adoption of generative AI, there is a growing focus on model performance, accuracy, and scale. But one of the most critical factors is often overlooked: the reliability of the data behind the AI. In enterprise environments, data is constantly changing, whether from updates, automation pipelines, or even unexpected events like corruption or ransomware. And when that happens, AI systems don't fail gracefully. They start producing incorrect or misleading results. So the real question becomes, how do you maintain trust in AI when the underlying data changes? That is exactly what I'm going to share with you today. When AI gives the wrong answer in the enterprise, it's rarely because the model changed. It's usually because the underlying data changed. Enterprise AI is completely dependent on trusted data, and that's where infrastructure plays a critical role. In real environments, enterprise data is not static. Documents are updated, moved, deleted, or modified all the time. And every one of those changes is immediately reflected in AI outputs, whether we notice it or not. If you can't trust the data, you can't trust the AI, and the flip side is just as important. If you can restore trusted data quickly, AI reliability comes back just as fast. So instead of just talking about this concept, let me show you exactly what this looks like in a real AI application. We'll follow these steps in our demo to showcase how Lenovo storage protects AI reliability. As you can see, here's a live AI chatbot using enterprise data stored on ThinkSystem DM and DG systems. The data consists of information about the ThinkSystem storage features and additional functionality. Let's start by validating that everything is working as expected. Let's ask our AI chatbot a question about Lenovo Unified Manager. As you can see, the chatbot referenced our data and correctly answered us about the Lenovo Unified Manager. At this point, we have a good known state of the data. This is what the AI is relying on for accurate results. Now let's simulate what happens when the underlying data changes, whether from corruption, bad updates, or ransomware. These are the documents mounted on our volume within the Lenovo DMDG storage that are referenced by our chatbot. So now let's see what happens when we delete the Unified Manager documentation and see how our chatbot reacts. With the file deleted, now let's jump to the chatbot. As we are back to the chatbot, let's ask the same question again that we did prior to deleting our Unified Manager documentation. As you can observe that our chatbot actually gave a wrong answer and even is hallucinating a little bit. The AI model has not changed, but the data has, and now the output is unreliable. This is where ThinkSystem storage comes in. Using instant, space-sufficient snapshots, we can restore data back to a trusted state in seconds. Now let's jump to the Lenovo Storage Manager to revert our chatbot back to a trusted state. Within the Lenovo Storage Manager, we see that we have a snapshot corresponding to our data that our chatbot references. Let's quickly restore our data from the snapshot. As you can see, the snapshot copy was restored. Now let's jump back to the chatbot and see how it answers our questions again. As we are back in the chatbot, let's ask the same question about Lenovo Unified Manager and see if we get the correct answer. And there you have it. We have the correct answer once again. Same AI model, same infrastructure. The only thing that changed is the data. And now AI reliability is restored. This is the key takeaway. AI reliability isn't just about the model. It's about ensuring the integrity and recoverability of the data behind it. With ThinkSystem storage, you're not just protecting data, you're ensuring your AI results remain trusted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Lenovo.